everyone, welcome back to another video. So today is me and Chloe again, and today we're in the club uniform and we're going to be doing some dressage.
Yes.
So, should we get into it?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So, wait, is this the dressage? Which one? Okay, I always get better. Okay, so do you want, right, get on Rising Club members only. Do you want me to be in front or do you want to be in front?
You can be in front.
Okay. So, okay, yeah. Alright. Ready? Yeah. Right, shot set, go. See, Chloe's coming. Alright, and then cut at C. Tell me when you're on, like, the straight, like, alright, so basically, you're going to curl to the left, and I'm going to curl to the right, okay?
I'm going to curl to the left, alright?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, pretty. Oh, that was so good, Chloe.
Oops, let me catch it.
That's alright. That was so good.
Okay.
Okay. So then when we get to the letter A, I'm going to go to the right and you're going to go left, and then at the corners we're going to die. Okay? Right, so I'm going right at A, you're going left. Right, so I'm right, and then you're going to go left when you're there. That's it. And go, when you're at your corner, you're going to go die into the middle.
Okay. Oh, that's so cool, we died at the same time.
Yeah. And then, basically, when we get close together, I'm just going to hop in front of you, basically.
I think I need to.
And then I'll turn it like this way. Perfect. And then we'll keep going your way. Dying. There you go. Okay, do you remember zigzag set?
Yeah, wasn't it this?
Yeah, that's it. But,
Okay.
so basically, when we get to the corner, we're going to turn left onto H. Okay?
Can't turn it, but alright.
Right, we're going to turn now. Please don't crash. Yay. Did you do it?
Yep, I did it.
Okay, are you on the straight wall? Yes, you are. Okay, zigzag set. Go. Pretty. Woo. We're going to do it right to K, and I'm at K now, so I'm going to stop. Good. Right, what else are we doing? Do you want me to teach you a belt?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so. Right, so we're going to cut down the middle. Right, so basically, gallop down to the middle. Yeah. My horse is pretty fast. Okay, so. I'm going to show you, right, hang on, right, stay there. Don't follow me right now. Right, so basically, I'm going to show you it, and then you're going to see if you can do it, okay?
Okay.
Right, so basically, so if I'm trotting down to C, and I'm going to do a curl, so I'll go left into curl, but half of a curl, I'll stop and go straight down the middle. So basically, it's half of a curl.
I think I can do that.
But it's not a curl on the wall. It's a curl. So basically, you're going up to a wall, and then you're going to curl one way, but half of the curl. So I'm going to do it one more time and then see if you can do it. Right, so I'm going to come out. Right, instead of doing it right, I'll go into a curl and stop right in the middle of the curl.
Okay.
Right, I'm going to watch you just...
Hold on.
You're going to do it by yourself.
Okay, so you go down to A and I'll start from C.
Okay. long can you play for?
About 5 minutes.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's it. And then straight down. That's it. Good. But like basically, normally you do it more onto the wall and not more before. So you get straight to the wall and then you do it straight on the wall, basically. Okay. But you did really good.
Like this. Oh.
That's it. Oh, well, if you didn't crash in the wall, then that would be good. Yeah.
Okay, remember this one we did? Where we would turn like this.
Yeah.
And then we would turn in towards the wall.
Oh, I remember that one. That one is that one fate, isn't it? I think. I don't know.
Yeah, I think. Oh, we did it like this.
Yeah, that one's fate. I'm pretty sure.
And then we would trot on.
Yeah.
Oh, what was the country one as well, where it's like this?
Oh, I think I just made that one up.
And then we would canter, and then we would stop, and then we'd go like that. No, okay. Oh, okay, remember the thing where I would ride in a circle, and then you would do circles around me?
Oh yeah, that was cool.
You would do an even bigger circle.
Yeah.
You want to try it?
Yeah, sure. So do you want to say like you're doing it?
Yep.
Okay, and then I'll do like a bigger circle around you. Hang on, is this it? Is it? Is this right, Chloe?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to try doing the little circle now? And I'll do
Okay,
this?
sure.
And
Right,
then
I'm
we
going
can
to
sort
do
of like switch into doing it.
the little
So
circle
then
now.
you little circle.
Yay!
Oh, this is cool. Where like we're both sort of doing it.
Oh my god, it is. I want to quickly take a picture.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just a really cool one, man.
You see? Oh, I like that.
My head's just...
Right, we should take one last picture.
Okay.
Stand it together.
Alright.
Oh, should we do one of us in front of our horses?
Yeah, sure. Like this?
Oh, so annoying. Like that.
Oops, oops. Yes. Okay, ready? Oh, wait, I'm just waiting for my horse to stop. I got it.
Wait, something I do. Should we hug?
Okay, how do we do that?
I need a hug. Well, you type in I need a hug in the chat, don't you? You need a hug. So, wait, what? You do. How do you do it?
I'm not sure.
Okay, well then we should do the clap thing.
Okay.
Or a bow.
Oops, gosh.
Should we bow?
Oh, that was nice.
Did you get it?
We did it at just the same time without even knowing that we was going to.
Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, bow.
Wait, what? Sorry? Oh, I was in the picture mode.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Three, two, one, bam.
Sorry.
That's a little bit outside.
Sorry.
1 second. Okay, 1 second. Just 1 second, okay? Okay, you ready? 3, 2,
Yep.
1.
Oh, okay.
Right, bye.
Bye.
Hold on, wait, don't end it yet.
Okay.
Start saying. Alright. Bye, Sky.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Wait, Chloe? Okay. Bye, guys.